In this video, my buddy Mike talks about an asphalt patching product called AquaPhalt, the durability of the material, how to make money in the winter season with this product, and if you stick around until the end of the video, Mike's going to give us a demonstration of how to properly use it, and the temperatures that it can be applied in. So if you want to go out and make more money this season, be sure to stick around and watch this video because you won't want to miss this.
Hey y'all, it's Michael with AquaPhalt. We're live here at Pavex, and I want to tell you about our asphalt patching product, AquaPhalt. AquaPhalt is a water-activated asphalt patch that you put in your pothole, you pour water on top, then you tamp it. And it cures through hydration, just like concrete, has a bonding agent in it, so it bonds to your surrounding asphalt or concrete, and you can drive on it immediately. It has a 3-year warranty, and it also has no VOCs, no petroleum in it, so your hands clean up with soap and water. It's a really user-friendly product, good for beginners as well as professionals. This product's used by NASCAR and by Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, but it's also available at Ace Hardware for homeowners to fix a pothole in their driveway. So now I'm going to do a little demonstration for you down here. It's kind of a simulated pothole. Preparation for this is just sweep out your pothole. Nothing special, you just want to get your loose dust and debris out of it. And then this product has a great workability to it. You can see flows nicely out of the bucket. And you just spread it out with a rake or a shovel. And you get it sitting up a little bit high before you compact it. So you level it out, and then what I'm going to do after this is I'm going to spray some water on top, and the water is the catalyst that starts that chemical reaction, causes it to set up, get hard, and the really cool thing is that you can drive on this immediately, so you don't have to worry about traffic pulling it up and causing any problems. All right, get that looking good. And as far as how much water to add, one of our nicest features is you don't even have to measure it. We tell you about a half a gallon of water per bucket of AquaPhalt, but you can't add too much. This will even set up underwater. So I'm just spraying some water on top now so I don't make a mess, but you could generously pour it on top. And then compaction. And that's it, ready for traffic immediately. And you can see these patches that I did a little while ago, fully cured, set up and hard. This one's not fully cured yet, but you can drive on it immediately. It's so easy a sales guy can do it. If they let me come out and do demos, anyone can do it. All you can see, you don't need any special tools or equipment, a hand tamper, a bucket of water, and AquaPhalt, and you're in business. Just sweep out the hole, pour the material in, water, tamp, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. So it's very easy to do, great entry-level product, but it's also professional grade as well. So you can get a professional grade product and go buy a bucket at Ace Hardware. One of the reasons our product's so popular in the striping and sealing industry is you can stripe it or seal it the same day. You just want to let that bleed water on top evaporate, so on a hot day in the sun, you can seal it or stripe it after about an hour. So this is about 2 days old. I put fresh AquaPhalt in here 2 days ago, poured water on top, so this has been sitting underwater for 2 days, and it is hard as a rock, not going anywhere. So you can absolutely fill a pothole with water with AquaPhalt. One bucket has 50 pounds of material and will cover 5 square feet at 1 inch thick. There are no temperature constraints with AquaPhalt. You can go as hot as you want, but more importantly, you can even install AquaPhalt in below freezing temperatures. If it is below freezing, you have to take one additional step, and that's to add something to your water to keep it from freezing. Easiest way is by a jug of that pink eco-friendly RV antifreeze. Mix that in with your water. Pour that mixture on top, and you can work in well below freezing temperatures, and the product still has a 3-year warranty. So it's a great money maker in the winter when you're not sealing, when you're not paving. Go around and look for potholes to fill. Yeah, so AquaPhalt, it's not required that you tack the edges. One of the beauties of this product is that there's binder in there, and it automatically binds to your asphalt or your concrete. But if you're looking for some added insurance, or if you're working for a municipality that requires you to use tack, we also have a product called True Tack. It's asphalt tack in a spray can. So you don't need any equipment, you just shake it up and you spray the joint, and it helps bond the old material to the new material. And if you want me to touch on one other thing, we have, so that's our AquaPhalt 6mm product. That's for potholes 1 inch and deeper. And so we have 2 gradations of product. This is our finer material. It's a 4mm product. It can be installed less than 1 inch thick. So you can feather this out, you can build a speed bump out of it, you can fix a trip hazard with it. If you're going 1 inch or deeper, you want to use our AquaPhalt 6mm. Anywhere from $50 to $60 a bucket, depending on how much you buy and which one of our distributors you're buying it from. But there's a list of distributors on our website, aquaphalt.com. We're a family-owned business, so if you have a problem, you call us, we take care of it. This is the only product we make. We've been doing it for 12 years, so we're focused on the customer service as well. So even if it's, you know, snow, winter, freeze, thaw, I mean, we take care of you.
Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell icon. That way you can be notified anytime we release some new content. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.